Again, a lot of the issues right now are stemming from Roblox kind of freaking out. Now, in this change, what I've done here is I have removed the loading screen. What I'm thinking here is our loading screen is somehow freaking out and not disabling itself properly. So what's changed now is the loading screen is completely disabled, and I'm just looking for people who are getting red in their console. Now, the red means when you see red, when it says there's an error, that means your data store hasn't loaded because Roblox is experiencing a heightened load. Now, this doesn't occur normally. This only occurs when a lot of people are starting to join at once. Now, what I'm also looking here for is people who don't have their things properly equipped, or your inventory might not be loading correctly. Now, right now it appears the hotbar isn't functioning. Again, that's going to be completely fixed. It requires some reprogramming, I'll put it like that, due to some changes of how things work. Again, if you're getting red, make sure it's retrying. So it's going to say retrying, and then it's going to try again. Give me 1 second. What's going to happen now is we're going to shut down all the servers very quickly, and I want everybody to rejoin. So I'm going to keep the servers running right now, because right now what I'm primarily checking is once things have settled down, once everybody has stopped joining so fast, everything's caught up, and it appears to be working for most people. For those who have not loaded right now, I wish for you to, I want you to leave and rejoin another server. Just click the play button. Now, guys, what I want you to do right now is, since everybody's data stores are reset in a testing place, I want you to take the opportunity right now to go ahead and buy all the troops, equip troops, and also buy all the emotes. And then we're going to shut down the servers in just a second. Now, for those who are freezing right now or are still loading, what I want you to do is to leave and rejoin another server. And see if it's loading now, because right now things seem to be warmed up after the first wave of people who joined like crazy. Right now I'm overriding the place with some small changes. It's taking a little bit. Right now, the reason, again, why we have all these people join at once is because when a lot of people are joining, like, for example, when we have an update, Roblox tends to kind of go slow as they're adjusting the scalability as more people are joining. So when we release a big update, we don't want this kind of stuff to happen, like, you know, when we're going to release this in the upcoming whenever it is. For Halloween, I'll put it like that. It's very soon. Now, the general bugs you're all seeing related to crates and other interface elements will all be fixed before we re-release this. So again, please don't report it because we're worried about all the issues that are occurring right now. Our private testers are the ones who primarily handle that portion. But you guys are here so that we can test a large amount of people joining at once, because that's when all the weird anomalies start to happen. Anyways, I'm going to shut down all the servers and I want everybody to rejoin. So I'm going to do that now. All the servers have just been requested to be shut down. And I want everybody to start rejoining. think I might have just broke the game. 1 second. Oh, yeah. I think I did. Let me see. Let me rejoin another server, because I might have disabled something that decided to break everything. Okay, I'm going to shut down the game again, and we're going to do this one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and shut down all servers. And in 3, 2, wait, let me leave on my phone. All right. So, 3, 2, 1, servers have just been requested to be shut down. So I need everybody to rejoin here. Now, guys, remember, edit your message. If you load in and everything's working, please edit your message and say loaded. Remember, edit your message. I need you to go back. If you sent a message and already mentioned to me, I need you to edit that and say loaded. Don't just say it in media. Go back to your message you've already posted and put loaded. Okay, what's going to happen now is we're going to change the player amounts. So I'm going to configure the game and change the player amount to 30. And then we're going to shut down the game and have everybody rejoin. I want everybody to stop posting messages and media related to the stuff right now until we shut down the game and rejoin. So please do not post any more images right now until we shut down the game and I'll rejoin. So we're going to shut down the game in just a few seconds. So, and I want you all to police each other right now until we shut down the game. Okay, so, we're going to give this a countdown. 1 second. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The game is shutting down. I want everybody to rejoin as fast as possible. We should now be on 30-player servers, which may benefit the data store service from break-in or anything like that. Now you can resume posting images. Make sure it's from once you rejoin this time. Remember to edit your message if you load successfully and everything's working. Please edit your message and make it say loaded. Even if it has red stuff in it, I need you to edit it. I request that everybody, in just a few seconds, I want you all to leave and rejoin, but I'm not shutting down the servers. This is just going to simulate servers that have already been booted up, that are working. I can tell you this, I loaded faster with the 30-player servers on my slow 4G connection on my phone. I want everybody to start leaving and rejoining other servers now. I request that you leave and just rejoin other servers. I'm not shutting down the servers. I just want you to see if you're able to load faster now that all the servers are warmed up and haven't seen the influx of people joining like crazy. Because right now on my side, I'm loading perfectly fine, much faster after the influx of people have all joined, which was about a 15-second join ratio, where the server suffered some minor heightened elevations of the data store requests. Yeah, right now I'm currently loading instantly on my my slow 4G connection, and as well on my computer. I want everybody to do this now. So when you press F9, you see that client memory usage thing at the very top. Don't take a picture of it yet, but I want you to leave, rejoin, press F9, and then take a picture of the client memory usage. Now on iPad, you can go into your chat box where you type to other players, and you can type /console, and you'll see it there, and you can screenshot it from there. So this, I'm having you take a picture of your F9 console, specifically the client memory usage area on the very top. Please do this once you rejoin, though. Okay, these are all good numbers right now. Just because it's something heightened, like, for example, 500 megabytes or 800 megabytes, that's still not a lot. And a lot of that, it's connected with Roblox. It's not just our side. Our stuff uses around 300 megabytes when we were testing stuff, even in big lobbies. A lot of it is storage for assets and other things Roblox has on their side. Okay, what's going to happen now is I'm going to do another shutdown. I want everybody to rejoin. All right, get ready. So, shut down all servers. All right, 3, 2, 1, shutting down servers. Everybody, please rejoin as fast as possible. Now, again, I'm going to give people about 3 minutes to go to their inventory and store, buy all the emotes, buy all the towers, buy crates, equip those, just so that we can test things. And then we're going to shut down the servers once more. And this will be our final shutdown before I go back, edit some things, and then change stuff around. One second, I actually need to go get my iPhone, my other, the slower, shittier one, iPhone 6. Plug this in and charge it so that I can get it ready. Because that's one of the things I'm going to be testing. Plug this in. Where's my charger? One second, I gotta find this charger for iPhone. After that, we're probably going to have a 1 hour recess while I go back and fix some issues. But then we'll do another announcement. So just 1 second. Let me charge this phone so I can test it. Okay, actually, we're going to do one last shutdown. And again, I want everybody to have all the troops bought, because we're going to rejoin one last time before the end of this testing session. Well, we're going to have a recess for about an hour while I go back and change some things before we start our next one. So you can either just stay in this voice channel or wait until you get another mention in the server. What's going to happen is I'm going to shut down all the servers now, and then we're all going to rejoin at once. So I'm going to give it a countdown. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, all the servers are shutting down now. I want everybody to rejoin as fast as possible. It appears it loads more reliably when a lot of stress is happening when it's 30-player servers. That's what I'm seeing right now. Again, when you join, please go to your inventory, emotes, skins, and the shop and inventory. And if you can, leave and rejoin other servers. And then after that, we're gonna shut down or leave the game running for just a little bit, probably about 10 minutes. One second, I gotta buy all this stuff myself. We're probably going to do one last shutdown in a second, and then we're going to actually shut down the game. We'll make it private for a bit while I test some things myself. So we're gonna do one last shutdown here. So I want everybody to rejoin. I'm gonna give you a counter. Okay, shutting down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. All right, everybody rejoin. All right. So we're probably going to be done for now. We're going to have a 2 or 1 hour recess while I go back and add some other additions. So we're just going to wait for that. And then let me see here. We should be ready. But for now, I'm going to make the game private, and then we're going to go back and do some changes for retest again, which should be this afternoon. All right. Let me 1 second. Let me see here. I'm going to shut down in just a second. All right, I'm going to go ahead and make the game private. Let me see here. Save. All right. Thank you all for participating in this session. Again, in about an hour or two, we're going to have another one. So you can either stay in this voice channel or wait until you get another mention in the public testing channel. And that's when we're officially going to resume our testing today. Again, thank you all for joining. I'm going to leave for now, go back, do some changes, and then we should be ready for our final lobby testing session this afternoon. And then the next sessions, hopefully by tomorrow. Not exactly sure, though. Possibly this Monday, we'll actually be testing the game itself. But again, I'm going to go make some changes, and then we'll all regroup here. And that's all. I'll see y'all. Peace.